This is the question where we have to solve the string question. We have to remove outermost parenthesis. Like if this is my question, this and this both get removed and I get my output. So the input will be these three parenthesis pairs, and in the output I'll remove this outermost parenthesis, as you can see. So the input string is this, and with the primitive decomposition, we will have this plus this, and then after removing outer parenthesis of the each part, we will get our this complete these three. Like if I talk about for this part, I have outermost parenthesis this one and this one, and for this part I have outermost parenthesis this one and this one. So we have to remove the outermost parenthesis. Similarly, in this case, you know that this is the complete one cluster, we can say, and after removing this and this parenthesis, I'll get these two. For this one, this and this get removed, I'll get this one. Similarly, in these cases, we have this one and that one. The outer will be this wala parenthesis and this wala parenthesis, and get this complete one. So for solving this question, we have to do some initialization in the starting. String result. Result will give you the final result answer, in which I'll take a balance variable where I'll store 0 initially and start a loop for char char s. For char c, I'll take c as a character which iterate with this string s. And if my c, which is the char, is equals to what? Equals to open braces, or the open, not braces, open rounded bracket. Then if my balance is greater than 0, this means that my balance is greater than 0, then you have to just add your c, which is the bracket, into your result. This means that this is not the first rounded bracket. This is not the first, because the balance is greater than 0, and in the after this, balance will become plus plus. Okay. Now if we talk about the else part, so in the else part, firstly balance will get minus minus, and if my balance is now also greater than 0, this means that your result plus is equals to c. These are the three conditions, and after this, not three condition, these are the two condition, like if case and the else case. And after all the loops, all the conditions, you have to return your final job, which is the result. So what happens in these cases, like you have to remove the outer parenthesis. Firstly I initialize the result, and then balance, and then the loop. If my character is equals to round braces and the starting braces, so this means that my balance is, if my balance is equal greater than 0, it means that it is not the initial one or the starting one. You have to add your that character into your result part. Okay, then balance plus plus, you initialize with plus plus, and then else part, firstly you will just decrement the balance minus minus, and then if your balance, what I'm saying, if your balance is greater than 0, then your result में add हो जाएगा आपका c, whatever the character you have, the bracket. Okay, with the help of these things, we can able to delete our outer bracket. सो इनिशियलाइजेशन हो गया, एंड द ट्रावर्स जो हम कर रहे हैं फॉर द ईच करेक्टर सी इन द स्ट्रिंग एस. Now, if C is my this open rounded bracket, then increment the balance. This means the increment the balance. And if my balance is greater than 1, it means that this bracket is not an outermost parenthesis. So just append it into the result. And if this is the closing bracket, then you should decrement it. What you have to do, decrement it, because if this is the starting point, you know, or if you get the closing bracket, so decrement it. If your balance is greater than 0 after decrementing, it means that this bracket is not the outer parenthesis, so append it to result, return the result, and after traversing result will contain the string with the outermost parenthesis removed from the each primitive part. So with the help of this you can able to get the right answer. We'll just check. Correct. And this is completed.